says you need to break the bank to travel like royalty? With these fresh-off-the-press 2025 travel hacks, you can see the world without seeing your bank account dwindle. So get ready to pack your bags and a healthy sense of humor, because we're about to dive into a video budget travel without making it feel, well, budget. Start with savvy flight and hotel booking. Book flights early or be flexible. Securing your flights early can often lead to substantial savings, especially during peak travel seasons. Websites like Skyscanner and Google Flights offer tools to alert you to price drops and trends. If you're flexible, consider flying at less popular times or midweek to snag those cheaper rates. Also, setting price alerts on these platforms can help you capitalize on sudden price drops, as airlines adjust fares based on algorithmic predictions of booking levels. Direct hotel bookings. Hotels often reward travelers who book directly through their websites with lower rates, complimentary upgrades, or free breakfast. This direct engagement also often ensures better service and direct communication with the property for any special requests or issues. Establishing a direct relationship with the hotel can lead to loyalty rewards and insider access to future promotions and exclusive events. Use travel rewards cards. Choosing the right travel rewards credit card can lead to significant savings in the long run. Cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or American Express Platinum offer lucrative sign-up bonuses and rewards points that can be redeemed for travel. More than just flights and hotels, these points can sometimes be used for car rentals, cruises, and even dining and shopping discounts at airports. Smart packing and transportation choices. Pack light. By packing only a carry-on, you can skip checked bag fees and breeze through the airport without waiting at baggage claim. Travel experts recommend packing versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched, and using packing cubes to save space. Additionally, most airlines now offer detailed guidelines on their websites regarding permissible carry-on sizes, helping you avoid last-minute gate check fees. Public transport and walking. Utilizing public transportation systems like subways and buses not only cuts costs, but also reduces your carbon footprint. Cities like Amsterdam, Tokyo, and New York are renowned for their efficient public transport that connects you directly with major tourist spots, as well as off-the-beaten-path locales. Moreover, walking tours often led by locals can enrich your travel experience, providing insights and stories that typical tours might skip. Sleeping gear for long-haul flights. Investing in a good quality sleep mask and noise-canceling headphones can transform your in-flight experience. Brands like Bose and Sony offer headphones that dull airplane noise and make those long flights more comfortable, helping you arrive at your destination refreshed and ready to explore. Dive into local experiences. Opt for local markets. Shopping at local markets not only provides a peek into the everyday life of the locals, but also offers the chance to purchase unique, handmade products. Whether it's the night markets in Taipei, the floating markets in Bangkok, or the Christmas markets in Vienna, these experiences are as much about the atmosphere as they are about the shopping. Eat where locals do. To really dive into the culinary scene, skip the tourist-heavy restaurants and head to where the locals dine. Apps like Foursquare and local food blogs can provide authentic recommendations. Eating local not only saves money, but also gives you a taste of the true flavor of the destination, from street food vendors to family-owned bistros. Free walking tours. These tours are not only affordable, but offer a deep dive into the city's history and culture from a local's perspective. While these tours are typically free, they operate on a tip-based system, meaning you can pay what you feel the tour was worth at the end. It's a budget-friendly way to learn about the city, meet other travelers, and discover hidden gems that aren't in your guidebook. Enhance your travel experience. Seasonal and off-peak travel. Traveling during the shoulder season is a strategic move that savvy travelers swear by. Not only do you benefit from reduced prices, but you also get to explore destinations without the overwhelming crowds. For instance, the Caribbean in late spring offers idyllic weather and more competitive prices, while iconic cities like Paris and Rome become less congested and more enjoyable in the fall. The milder weather during these times means you can wander through historical streets and enjoy outdoor cafes comfortably, making your experience both enchanting and relaxed. Travel insurance. Investing in travel insurance is like giving yourself a safety net across the globe. Comprehensive plans from providers like World Nomads are tailored to cover everything from minor mishaps to significant emergencies, including medical issues and trip cancellations. This coverage ensures that you can recover your expenses and receive assistance during unexpected situations, making it an essential component of modern travel planning. Being insured means you can venture farther with greater peace of mind, knowing that help is just a call away if things don't go as planned. Digital necessities. In the digital age, being equipped with the right tech tools can dramatically enhance your travel experience. Applications like Maps.me are invaluable for navigating new cities as they allow you to download maps and use them offline, saving you from hefty data charges. Moreover, carrying a portable power bank is non-negotiable in today's connected world. It ensures your smartphone, the ultimate travel tool for photos, bookings, and communications, remains charged and ready. With these digital aids, you can capture every moment, navigate seamlessly, and keep in touch with loved ones without missing a beat or getting lost. Accommodation hacks. Alternative lodgings. Platforms like Airbnb, VRBO, and Hostelworld not only save you money compared to traditional hotels, but also offer a richer, more authentic experience. Many of these accommodations come equipped with kitchens, allowing you to cook meals and save on eating out, which is often one of the most significant expenses while traveling. Additionally, staying in these types of lodgings can connect you with local hosts who are usually eager to share insider tips and favorite spots off the beaten path. This local wisdom can transform a typical tourist trip into a unique and personal adventure, giving you stories and experiences that standard hotel stays often lack. Flexible bookings. The ability to cancel without penalty is more than just a convenience. It's a game changer in travel planning. With platforms offering free cancellation, you can keep an eye on price fluctuations and rebook if something cheaper comes up, ensuring you always get the best deal possible. This kind of flexibility is particularly valuable in today's travel climate, where plans can change unexpectedly. It's like having AirSet button on your bookings, giving you peace of mind that you won't be financially penalized for adjusting your plans to match evolving circumstances or better deals. Before you go, local SIM cards. One of the most practical ways to manage your communication expenses while traveling abroad is to use a local SIM card. These SIM cards offer substantially lower rates for data and calls compared to international roaming charges. Available at airports, convenience stores, and local telecom shops, they're typically easy to install and activate, allowing you immediate access to the internet and local networks. This not only helps you stay connected with friends and family back home, but also ensures you can access essential services like maps and local information, which can enhance your travel experience and safety. And there you have it, folks, your insider video to making the most out of your travels in 2025, all while keeping your wallet happy. You loved diving into these savvy travel hacks and crave more brilliant tips and tricks. Why not hit that subscribe button? Your support helps us keep bringing you the best travel content, crafted just for you.